Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So as we are eagerly waiting for the Samsung upcoming foldable device, Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4, Samsung's flagship foldable phone, the Galaxy Fold 3, is the best foldable from the company that opens into a tablet-sized device as of now. Now, as the end of 2021 approaches, why not look ahead and attempt to piece together what might be in store for our foldable smartphone future? Here's our most likely roundup of the most credible Galaxy Fold 4 rumors. There's no doubt in our minds that the Galaxy Fold lineup represents a remarkable showcase of technology and innovation. But there's just one thing: Samsung's top-of-the-line foldable isn't inherently practical like, say, the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or even the Galaxy Note series. There was no slot for the S Pen in the Galaxy Fold 3, and based on rumors, there won't be a holder for the S Pen either in its successor. For those who use it, you'll still have to find a way to safely bring along your Samsung stylus. We're crossing our fingers that the leakers got this one terribly wrong. We'd love to see a holder in the Galaxy Fold 4 or, even better, perhaps see a way to magnetically attach the S Pen to the Fold 3's hinge the same way you can attach an Apple Pencil to an iPad Pro. Samsung introduced a fingerprint sensor to its foldable phone via the Galaxy Fold 3, where it's located on the right side of the handset, accessible whether the device is folded shut or opened up. It also doubles as a power button. However, that fingerprint reader may be on the move, according to Let's Go Digital, and may be placed under the screen instead, when referred to a patent Samsung filed in March this year to back up the claim, saying the company plans to process the fingerprint reader in such a way that it can be used as a double-sided fingerprint sensor that can be used on the cover screen when the handset is folded shut, as well as when it's unfurled to a tablet-sized device. On the cover screen, it can apparently be used from the center bottom of the display, and when unfolded it'll be on the center bottom of the left screen. The Galaxy Fold 3 also debuted an under-display camera to Samsung's lineup of foldables. It's located under the large internal display, and is one of 5 cameras on the device. According to rumors, Galaxy Fold 4 will also rely on 5 cameras, but there will be 2 under-display cameras this time around, at least according to one Korean leaker, who goes by the handle U. This is another rumor I hope is inaccurate unless Samsung drastically improves its tech, since the Galaxy Fold 3's under-display camera was its weakest link, camera-wise. Many of the big-name foldables on the market today are almost closer to $2,000, putting them well beyond the budget of the average shopper. If Samsung and its rivals want their bendy devices to break into the mainstream in a big way, one major thing that'll need to change is the price, and that may be happening, if rumors are accurate. In other words, we expected the release date to follow the pattern of their successor, which is usually August, so we expect to see Galaxy Z Fold 4 in the same time frame in 2022. Well, that is it guys, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.